no na aso say e was say a day a bro but mankind we are nipa krono be ha madwen ache. Morning, I'm Evans from Dunkwa on Ofin. My birthday wish goes to my daughter Equia Sarah Mananu. Today is her birthday. May all her dreams come true. And as yet Dunkwa on Ofin for you mutie it was Solar FM in Dunkwa on Ofin. We say yesterday was your birthday. Ohima Akosia Safua, a teacher at Apostle Safo School, also the School of Art and Science. That should be it. School of Art and Science. From me, Nana Equia Achampoma and Vera Ohene Safo. And it's a belated birthday. Go in grace. Ohema Akosia Safua. We are Cheshire Apostle Safo School of Art and Science. Live to be 106.3 and beyond. Enough and a story I would say if flooding a very, very important issue. I was saying in that movie because Matisse, even for a military car beer, nam assignment under bridge in Suno. A Pia or Muama soldier for a woman, you know, it's a serious issue. I was saying,
Obaka is last week near casting be about Ofanko barrier.
Yes,
filling station be a yesin woho. Now, filling station be a yesin on the first, and now when I got a caseda in Sota a foul. Any yesi filling station, that's a gata no console. Any a diverted gatani, I got a few bidiamano, and you are 05 or Kofaho. Yaman Kwan can so the Omkoi. In Sota, a year cover runabout, Nusuna. It is so free. Pokwasana Oba, who run about, and a who kind of gata. Free Taifa, a Swana Oba, the same thing. As in Sunday Bofaka, a quine, a fuck quine Suna.
Ose Nyamena, a fafion. A told the Benjamin and Nimai, or Molaki say, Gata can see be anywhere. The sooner checkana, I didn't know about until the Quana Quaco sites of the road. No, Ned Wappem, Nasanka got a cassia what to say. A sham overhead, can't in so no trick, Baba 2, baby, are not so chicona, and Cabetch Kako. Fortunate Cacra Nipaya or when they say, Gata cassia be anywhere, so no pedacano at the Nako, Aquacotum.
The other thing is for Aquina Tesano, who's a Muslim, we are drains, and chain. And most of these drains on highways are covered drains. But so okay, that many among Cote Dincomo. And what can say a problem and they say, yeah, quiny near your drains no come. By a quining chain say, a free and nimina air cost torsa, a wohono, but you know when you know your plane, Netiaco and a who. Muslims are called Utukwaya. For some areas, the either say a grassy, it will not lawns, and I say a concrete after a while. It will be sure insure Boba a car quaison, and then in a near call. And you call in Iania, in Tiania, and a body bar, a bar, a was Anian settle, a settler was settled with drains near what quine on him. In Obashano, Anian settled woman and Ebia in Wura Yanimo and cold drain him, but Yanni to me Shemuana drain a choky. It have insured to me in Kofa drain, the Mubina was a bo a faka quine. Drain now can the cassia to sing. Apart from the cassia, yeah, drain fear to say what benum. A better and Yakotema is one uniform man for. Won't I don't know you either a sumposa day, is that or doy, Ubasha, or more disappear, and yeah, the beer, the every day, but will be here if you back one Sunday community. You either drink deep or it is not. Yeah. So, yeah, in ye, and to say jay, and your force. See a bag got a ye, cycle hey, Dubai, ya, or my penina da yedma, check out a iron. Fear it is one talk. No gusro na esania o de ba Vodafone ho ne yinya mo say yina ko kanisi station na 4 man for sa wo hu adane ye be ya yinya daje ye nwene nkonkan ne nye ne ye preko sa de ye be ya ye nkoye na quite so outward niceties ye ya mo bia hu say ya ye bi na mum enso topa na afi ya da pa de na hu susu aso ba mountain going forward no sa free spaces e wa yakwan because NA no na me nam N1 ne so so wo hwe media na media e kwan na dem finfin na e wo se ye grass wo ho no ni nyina grass ni ho and yana na unhu ne sa and insuo ne to a ehokoro anwea no a obo se ye ntokro bi wo ekwan ne tense na afam asisi ni nyina enti there is a reason why as our media no e was say grass
the parks and gardens from Ghana
and obi je akatua wo
there be me de me bisa ebi maintain see agu ne de
yengu no head office ne wo DVL new head office no
na so mo ho
yeah mo ho
mo workers bo so me so mje salary aban ne tuom ka
PWD
taxpayers money ne tuom ka menu mi oni esika etete ye ene ne tuom ka
so me wo kasa wa se wo se sai nyuma no udi e cha wanwe wo be kasa mo wano apa wo be kwa akodi baby boni wonim se axim ye koye adom dwade kase na ye ma obi ye audio sebre ye wo so wo mate se ye sika no na se sika no kro mu hu se de na husuo no kra beye na eba na se obi de betade obeda nya ansesa obi so se wo mate se Bank of Ghana echa 100 Ghana cedis a ebom aheye ye NCC nru ho na no ye nimu ha ye tie radio ne omode ayi ka no na ma ye hu yo monye hwe enkraso konkraso besi sabre adekode apotia Bank of Ghana eyo no omonte ase we ye adwadifo a ebi wo station wo ton nuane enti ye wo in some institutions a better say ye beka say institutions we ya collapse no na ye restructure ne ye say ye ntimi nyese ye betimi a resource amomwa ye adwuma sede wo say ya eni omo wo no meka say mfaso obi ani omo so ye nipa ku obi netewa omo ji akatua adwuma potia wo so omo ye no unhunu exactly what is going on. O kan be man complain be brain na human resource and na wan be oje akatua wakatua so ebia na ekoso wa say BBC a not mofo na ye memmobo not mo onye den oye atrenche mubuafo bibia si no and there was ono ko na okoko service situation
from happening in the
yes into when you said any so best stop here from happening. And we are any aguso. City authorities no can be.
Such you are nadmo or more mandate duty, sir.
Preventive, no so.
I was almost preventing.
But I know say they have to work with other.
Good.
In the, for example, say median here was here dear grasses ewohui, and as I was here concrete ewohono. Why a human was say oye. Among 4 stores because onam N1 and we do La Paz money area. Was a stores ewo or more ton cars any other a free baby. Or more stores ne wo e dey back kwan ne ho no ube gravels ne adade and which was erosion it taking
I wish we could get a good Ramadan
the man say maybe phone lines this year because yeah reports from some other areas no the flood situation was terrible and at least be anadmo for ente frey wahwere wonua bi wabusuani bi ewu insu afa ufie and all of that my ente 0302 216561 and 0302 216562 now ente the flood situation in your area saying anioma
hello
yes good morning never to whiny
FM Steven, because I Adenta.
Steven mean
it's story is here. I'll pay sorry, you say, when you papa question about them.
Nipale she got them or he fan away.
Oh, Adenta. The police, I'm not my duty, Samuva.
Adenta
SDA.
Adenta SDA.
Beach capital before SDA.
Oh, okay.
What's about the meeting here?
Bema now,
Obama.
Okay. You, Mate. Made us a papa. Also, friend, and that's the value we place on human life in this country. Good morning.
Morning.
Me bacho whiny.
But a friend of him.
O kasa friend.
The kasa friend shaman.
My
new station at Mota, also for 4 years, heavy gutter. Also, gutter, the concrete in a year for all at Reco, as we are month for any chair.
Sam Mate, my main house, and I mean, find the powerful. Good morning.
Hello?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Me bacho whiny.
But I found Evans because I shall be
Evans means
Nebo, make Japan Motors, Japan Motors. A new nation got a kakabi that way people so about Hona. In fact, Nana and your crack. Now, I feel you know, I feel that I'm afraid that I feel me numbers no more you. Better say no about for back or more imbium. None we are last year, super yiri, a year, yaman in our coy. A fire dance woman not before the share, Yanti Omokoy, Oman Bedium, everything, and grass one are doing grass with the toy, say crap on a tabai. Last year, this year, you got a moon. You do baby now be my compressor, a honey, and easy for lady Momuko. In Jomu, you got an unknown no mujai, the beer. You only bar a packet and a muja. They say you talk a crap and I got an injury. Now a hank of what I emotion will be for my. Mamma
say, so would say any beer, who nip a beer, shen and quinam flats, ya, Ufre and Pank a beboy. Na ye Timmy et you. Good morning.
Good morning, Obi.
Me pacho hine.
Me de ama me kasa free of Anko barrier.
Ama me pacho et you.
Obi, me bet now of Anko barrier. Fena me na 2 weeks. Last week in Sunday to me P. Nandra. Me se me kwa kutedu. Nya minim nukreni. Eda me kotoje.
Ewo baby a wakwatena foforo no.
Ewo me pay free baby a me wo eba of Anko barrier. Pharmacy bi wo na me tedu. Inti na ma traffic ache because run about and kwa wu na wecha. Inti fiti pokwansi nyina ba traffic. Esu nyina akata. Unhushe.
Asem ma memfa nipa foforo. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba cho hwani.
Kofi right Winiba.
Kofi me ntio.
Obi, ebe Winiba. Ye yensu na opera akoba kenim. Na woni na nkofo ekisi wo de no wa. Sisi ami o kese nkofo ebe o papa. Lenwa aswozi no ha he. Engineer no onye won ote. Engineer onye won ote. It is a case wo den wo. Kese wo den no nsu fo na. Oya tete. Obi, kofi nkofo a wo be wonye menya nsu afan. Wonye ma nsu akovu wo dem. Ibi mo wo den nsu tu kwa na we buden. Ewie gwara na wa start de wo ko to ata wo mo no. Engineer e den na do wo ka chel. It is a safety. Na ya aswozi na fo wo chi nka chi aban. Ana fo wo chi nka chi obi. Wa kwa wo ka chel wo ni suwa. Na akwa kwato wo mo no. It is a say nya no man. One more than one thought as a baby, or your cocoda, well, I see there, I want to.
Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. But your family, David, because I free as I was safe for her down.
David, me and you.
But your honeymoon, only you got her from 2017, beginning of system, you got her, receive baby. Only one side, one side. And see to a free old town, a side free honeymoon by a honeymoon and young bro. You can see any cast of people, me democrat, in Sune Kahon, a very cockle me put to you.
Mate, and most of these areas, how you see and in this country, your emphasis on positional leadership and we always ignore functional leaders into a more various agencies now daily. Also, and we focus on positional leaders into Omanpenyi Maye Minister Way Maye Engineer Assembly. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mebacho why na menyane?
But from Eric, make a selfie down small snake.
Eric, it's you.
But I didn't go so down small one. I'm sure near Behad you. Baby, man, so to a proper time. I'm not fast at the AC9. It is so trying to me. Now, Bucky, you can say, mid them Yamania and Safan.
Obia the Sinai or what always
number.
Medase papa and your country in Swa and they obiaba be sit down nipa ne be kire permit e dan ni si waterways mu the oman permit ne yanya ne. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Me ba cho hwan ni?
Yeah, Dr. Kwe make se free manya pomu no.
Dr. Kwe me enti yo.
Yeah. Wana eye adwuma wo councils now almost adansie ne ahonsam so no se omoko kromu a ayo almost say baby a edan ni si no ene kwan e dantemu ne baby e se gota eda ya wo mo hwehwe we mu nyina ana wo mo gi sika hunu ene wo mo make adan ho se yemubu na se wo mo musika na wo ma fa ya jesi wa na ya wo meti bebre se wo mo ya saade we na se wo ma hwehwe baby e se onipa ni design si na se ebe wi ase na se saade we ko ba na ye bobo aban din a na wo mo adwuma wo mo ya se town planners no na wo mo adwuma ne sei ana mo ti ase se na course be na mo ko ye ya o mo hwe ma sa ne ba we mu esisie no muni nyame nya adwuma
Medase nyame nshao maybe I'll pick this final call na ya hwede yesi. Good morning. Me pa cho hwani
let me go English. You see, we have this problem because the people build waterways and nobody tells them anything. Right behind my house, a gentleman came to buy the house behind my house. And, we both decided to leave a tiny way, like 2 feet in between our walls, so that it will allow water to flow and then go down, because the place descends in a way. This gentleman, after buying the house, said he will not allow that thing to happen. Then he blocked the waterway. We went to the authorities. They were like, "Oh, Yabeba will do this." Until today, as I'm talking to you now, my everything is flooded. The hall, the entire compound, all the houses by my side, both left and right. I went there talking. This gentleman, I don't know how. Even if you are the president and you are doing the wrong thing, somebody must tell you that what you are doing is wrong. This is the country we live in. Just as you said, people give permits, and then when something happens, nothing happens to them. Nobody questions them. Have a blessed morning, my brother.
Thank you, my brother. I understand your frustrations, but that's the country we have. And one thing is because we shouldn't be discussing Sanyome. Say Obia taking leadership responsibility. And Makamesia Kabio say Omoa Ebebwa are functional leaders. Until at the end of the day, say meba office bia. Yes, Wako Assembly, Metropolitan Chief Executive Ewoho. He's a positional leader. But one we works engineer. One we town and country planning officer. I was signing permits mo bikoko si dino. You are a functional leader. One every day we are Jumano. And if you disappoint us, MC don't tell me because any MC in my permit. And if we don't begin focusing on functional leaders or more, they have boots on the ground or more here Juma every day, because say unim say higher water, and sometimes I won't drive it. Now utu and baby yes see a dying ewo, and you ask yourself, say and who is planning for this country? Nobody. Obviously, that just a man's kamato assassin. And then I was a nimshel left to a Miami decision. So I was a nimshel right to Bassa.
Oh, my dear, teacher, or my new Ansani, I'm going to be a decline better. Ansani, I've been quiet, can you be fast with a call? Ansani, I've been quiet, super fast with a call. Opa, Sabi phone lines needing at all. Let's find the out there. 1 month for Matitim Yamia would do Matino, Omoko or Nakwa, Omoko or Nizu.
Okotana ho ansa na ya ba how na bibia ni ho
yam plan we na some wo kan
and your town and country plan
functional leadership na wo kan no mo ye adwuma no any positional leadership na wo kan no anyembia positional leadership no omo control bi omo otumi bi on the functional leadership ana so omo control there ho na asem no wo because they see a wote yi so we ya wadwe so okobu obi da agu na e bro letter from above wuntimi nya hwe. What I say? It was it me jai woman no moye omadwuma independently. Enquiet so obi wo baby ni pakro ni puru ni minimu pe na we yam hwehwe because of that you cannot do your work. I say here one ni pa no de oho.
But unimu so say most of these functional leaders no only one thing come na media adwuma na me pesa me ye o but positional leader be na frame me bre na ya no mo boa e personal interest.
And also
my experience in Kophobia filling station no mo kwakusi baby omusi filling station they knew very well say baby papa but on na ne kwa madam ye be ye bibi ama ho ye be ma kwan me wasi na positional leader ni memu town and country planning guys no, and a lot of these people omo na kwa round e kwa chira man for dan ho stop work produce permit no mo ase afa chira kwa kodis kan ya ma kwan me wasi And we have to speak to these people, say, if our country will change, Obia will role to play. You cannot go now. Who know about join it team mufono? Oh, and ade we here president adwuma was all onye. Now we also na wo hye ho. Eye nyo maybe was anka wo ya.
Obi.
Enya de papa. We have to
Ghana, we have a long way to
attitudes.
go. Yesuban as a people. No?
It's terrible.
And then the problem.
It's terrible.
But me can assembly last week and as mesaka.
It's terrible.
Said yeah abotachi kuro boy. Obia ntimi afa ne nsantene ne yonko so say asomasi. Anaso obenten no. No obia ni hu bi. Ekuro no na etachi kuro. Now so I say abro na e wo manfo no wati munti no. Ekuro no boy. Ene yatu ne din abotachi kuro. It is say abotachi kuro boy. Obia ntimi afa ne nsantene ne yonko so say e asomasi anaso obenten no. Na chese obia ni hu bi. Yet wo mayimu te say de wo kan town and country for wono kwa no akwaji sika. Wono na wokoto asase na nim say asase ba bia me kwa koto no. Enye wakwa koto. Enso to wi a esan say aban na nanimu ohare o se to abama nti ni afra ban so mra no meyi free ho na afide na mofo no ho akere wo mo what you say yankasa yesu ba na say ansesa obi ebeden
obia will role to play. And I don't mean him say a man for adje sadie na tumu say development na a shared responsibility yenya ye will role to play. Yes, when you ska opese wo si dan eno nche se to asase bia adofo no because ko to asase na say ye waterways mu a insuo to anya won kwa na insuo ni betu ha wo omo ete wo nche nyina nti wo stupid mistake no na ede oyene abre obia it's not proper. And there was nyina yenya ensesaye bi wa yenwura na wasori abetu agu gatem thinking say wo ye me.
No, but at the end of the day obi sankembre ye adwuma anke di hu be shedi pebemu. But if we live in a country where ni pa na bone na sa ko kape o say hey me to aba biom na amanyofo ho po how do we go?
So say in any country in the world or maybe anywhere ubetimi legislate against every human behavior. Untimi ka say wo ye mra etia human behavior nipa say you cannot legislate against you have to leave it to the conscience of the people. And no me mind etumpon because o ka say wo legislate and ye mra book na be
ye mra bebri wo mayimu ye mra bebri wo ye ade ye nim say otu nwura gu abonte aye chew ye nim enso amafo tu nwura gu abonte de biade na de aye omo eti ade chew obi beto aguo udu barracks wakwa yida Kofi Annan Peacekeeping Training Center da wakwa Ghana Armed Forces Command and Staff College da ye wura ho na kware se finda ho a we ya bema uduru ho a chinga nkra fato form na ha de wo ye de ho sa na nyahwe na fama nyame sa no man ne say emredu we need a leader within nibesi form or by joining the next generation but not the next election
because sometimes we free kaswa ho na eba na utu initial left etu initial right utimo say amanfo asida you ask yourself say it who is say baby I would na say ejato ho na fire service wo free na beba ho
wako weja baby Adam no one da
yes
in so to yetimi de kanu sim ko fankrofo enso omo te ho dam ne nche pe omo anim se nso to be ira fo hwan na mo kwan mo si dan no ho etu omo si dan no bi ahu sabe edan ente se match sadaka no atama che obotom etie si panyini bi ahu Kenya ma ba be do some pepe so we won ye de sa asa agragro bibia ye biago
because Accra flooding no Accra flooding na engineering problem either
avoidable
ways mo either drain bi e wo se ya anya ne ye either kwan bi e wo se atwa do ba bi ya ntwa ne ye
ene esuban
engineering problem
enso to a ne asese ngura ne de abegum
gatem
ne enso de to na ngura ne ba begum a hwe enso to ye fa enkran monten so ne hwe ade efie takru mu pa hwan na de kogu ho hwan na de kogu ho yesuban kankan na de bia ye ka okoka ye so nye okoka pe asem na akwada nka panyini nka ene etete honhon sa na yewu ko obi na awuhya gatem no
adukomi ye fancy ye be dane ye ho aba ye ba ye de fa be wo so ebrem ene ye Dwaso with and ye ka sa ansem yi no ni nyina eba back to district assemblies, municipal assemblies, metropolitan assemblies. Resources kakra ekoho nso. How are they making judicious use of the resources? NAS Central Eastern Region. Now, some of the revelations Auditor General's report will shock you. Say when soon and minimeda obesan esubio. How we are making use of resources. And you bet me the iron your mind be avoid the flats, you know. Yes, sika eshisika kwa. After we the fabe was so bremo.
Mrs. said, "Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. I could do a mankasa. And to me come and say,